Hi, good day everyone. Another day, another vlog na naman po tayo guys. Today we're going to discuss about no experience, age and height limit, manning agencies, status, and high school grad or undergrad. Hi, my name is JY. I'm a yacht stewardess here in Dubai and I make vlog about my job. And disclaimer lang po, lahat ng sasabihin ko ay based on my own experience at sa mga nalalaman ko. And okay, number one, let's talk about no experience. Yes, you can still apply as a yacht stewardess even if you don't have any experience as long as you have all the requirements, STCW certificate and Siemens book and attested diplomas and passport. And number two, manning agency. Yes, pwede po kayong mag-apply through online application, pero para lang po ito sa mga may experience na sa pagyayate. At pwede kayong mag-online application through Croatia at saka Yachtspot. Sa mga walang experience or zero experience, kailangan you must be here in Dubai. Kailangan andito kayo para dito kayo mag-apply. Dala nyo yung certificate nyo at saka yung passport nyo at saka yung SIMAS book. So number three, age and height limit. Most of the company, they don't have any requirements for age and height limit. Hindi, wala namang discrimination dito. They accept as long as you have all the requirements. And number four, tattoo. Yes, you can still work in a yacht even if you have a tattoo, as long as hindi naman siya sa mukha at hindi naman siya visible at saka hindi rin po yung sensitive at saka provocable yung mga tattoo nyo. Basta tago lang siya or kahit di man siya tago pero yung hindi naman siya po offensive. It's okay. You can still apply and work in a yacht po. So number five, for undergraduate and high school grad, yes, you can still apply and work in a yacht as long as you have all the requirements like STCW certificate, Siemens book, and passport. And again, you must be here in Dubai. Kailangan andito kayo sa Dubai. And you know how to speak English, you understand English, and you have the skills when it comes to housekeeping, bartending, serving the guests. And yeah, I hope nasagot ko lahat ang mga katanungan nyo at nakatulong ang video na to para magkaroon kayo ng ideas at makuha nyo na yung mga requirements na kailangan nyong kunin. And guys, sa mga previous videos ko, kung gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Dubai, pwede nyo panoorin yung 3 ways para makapunta kayo sa Dubai. Yung first vlog ko. And then yung second vlog ko, it's all about the step-by-step process and requirements sa pag-ayayate. And pangatlong video na po ito, and I hope guys you continue to support me. And again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you and ciao.